Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from Device Bar. In this video, we have Dr. Trust Pulse Oximeter with us. A pulse oximeter is a device through which you can find the oxygen saturation of the blood and the pulse rate. The oxygen saturation or SpO2 is the amount of oxygen carrying hemoglobin in the blood. They use light beams like this to estimate the values. Before starting this video, I would like to stress this is not a replacement for your regular hospital checkup. This is more like a device to give you an approximate idea about what's going on and not the exact medical result. Please have a word with your doctor if you are confused or if you feel something is wrong with your body. This one is the Dr. Trust Pulse 203 Oximeter Professional Series. This is FDA approved, which is a factor you have to consider before you buy any oximeters. This one is the red model. They also have colors like blue and black. This is the box. They come with this user manual which is big. I'll take a photograph of this and share it on the screen for you. A small paper for claiming the warranty, and also a strap for connecting this to your neck. I think it's called lanyard. That's all. Coming back to the device, it is made of decent quality plastic powered by two AAA batteries which they provided. This is lightweight and easily portable. This one is also IP22 water resistant, but it won't work if you drop it in a bucket of water. The best part is, of course, the OLED screen, which is bright and gives us all the required information. This is the on-off button. You have to press it once to turn it on, and it will automatically turn off if it detects no finger for around 16 seconds. This is the mode button. You can press it once to change the direction of the screen. This screen is multi-directional, 4 different directions and 8 display modes. This will be really helpful when you're in a bed and someone else needs to check the details. You can long press it to go to the settings. I hope the font is visible. If you want to scroll down, you have to press it once. They have options for sound reminder, beep, demo, brightness. If you want to select something, you have to long press it. And in this section, they have details for SpO2 high, low. All these default values should be fine. Then you can long press it to exit. That's all. Now let's see how this device works. You have to turn it on first. Place your finger like this, left hand or right hand. Don't move your hand for a while. Then with the help of the red light beam inside this, you can see what's going on inside your body. You can wait for a while. This is the SpO2 percentage, the battery percentage, PR BPM, which stands for pulse rate, beats per minute. This one with the odd symbol, that's the respiratory rate, the number of breaths you take per minute. This one is PI percentage, perfusion index, which usually means the strength of the pulse. That's all. I'm not going to discuss the values here, like which one is good and which one is bad. I want you to consult this with your doctor and see which is good for you, because it varies a lot for each of us. Our bodies are not the same. There are some things you should keep in mind. For example, in the operator's manual, they mention that SpO2 measurements might be affected by ambient lights or like direct sunlight. So make sure you cover all that before taking any readings. If you want to get accurate SpO2 readings, make sure your fingernail doesn't have nail polish when you're using this. You can use this pulse oximeter on your child if their finger can reach the sensor, but it may not be accurate for children below 1 year. And one more thing, I always wanted to do this. Okay, it's not working. I just wanted to confirm. This is a wonderful medical device, but as I warned you in the beginning, this is not a replacement for your hospital checkup. If you have any breathing issues or if you are feeling uneasy about your body, please visit a doctor in any nearby hospital. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do kindly let us know if you have any comments. Please subscribe if this video helped you. Have a great day.